In this video, I'm going to show you string interpolation in C#. We have already seen the string in C# in previous video. Now let's make a two variable in a is equals to 5, comma b is equals to 6. And if I type this CW in double tap, then I can write here the dollar sign. Watch this video carefully to understand the string interpolation in a very depth. So just type the dollar sign and put the double quotation, and just type a. The value of a is, or whatever message you can give, the value of a is. If I put the curly braces, and I can put here the variable name, and likewise the value of b is, I can put the curly braces and I can put the variable name as b. In this way, you can output your code using the string interpolation. This is the string interpolation. And if I run this code by pressing the Ctrl F5 or pressing in the run button, now you can see the output. The value of a is 5 and the value of b is 6. So this is the string interpolation where dollar sign and the double quotation, and we used to display the output using the curly braces. Thank you.